What's the meaning of arabica? Arabica. Arabica.
Arabica. Arabica. Arabica is a term used to describe a species of coffee plant, as well as the beans produced by that plant. Arabica beans are known for their delicate flavor and aroma, as well as their slightly acidic taste. They are widely considered to be of higher quality than other types of coffee beans, such as Robusta. Arabica plants are typically grown in high-altitude regions with cooler climates, and they require careful cultivation and processing to produce optimal flavor. Due to their popularity and high demand, Arabica beans often command higher prices than other coffee varieties.